DKNG has been on a downtrend since the 29th of August and is all within a longer term bearish trend. It is down 8.5% in this post market session slash pre market session of Friday, the 7th of November. Intraday low $24.27. The company equally disclosed its earnings outcomes and also announced a deal with ESPN, a multi-year partnership with ESPN. People think that deal could reshape the company's presence in the sports and entertainment betting ecosystem. However, they are also highlighting that while the deal represents a major branding and distribution win, potentially giving the company access to tens of millions of sports viewers and bettors, they remain cautious due to the company's lowered forward guidance and signs of slowing growth in certain markets. Some traders see this partnership as a strategic masterstroke that could boost user engagement, drive new account signups, and strengthen the company's positioning against rivals like FanDuel, BetMGM, and emerging prediction market platforms like Kalshi and Robinhood. However, skeptics point out that execution risk remains high. The competitive landscape of online betting continues to evolve rapidly, with newer platforms blurring the lines between investing, gaming, and speculation. All of these has raised concerns about whether the company can sustain its pace of innovation and retain its core audience amid rising customer acquisition costs and tightening margins. Meanwhile, the company's share buyback program and comments from the management of the company about improving profitability have given some long term investors renewed confidence. Bulls argue that the state level legislation expands, that as state level legislation expands and cross platform integrations with ESPN take effect, the company could unlock substantial new revenue streams and advertising opportunities. So overall, people are actively debating whether this recent dip, or this recent dip, if you like, not so recent. It's been in effect since the entirety of September up till now. They are debating whether this represents a buying opportunity ahead of a potential growth phase driven by this partnership with ESPN. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. This is not encouraging. It doesn't encourage you to think that a bounce is imminent. But in any case, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that a bounce will occur beginning from Monday the 10th. No guarantee that that will be the case. And then, a peak by the 20th of November. Okay, so the interaction of this extrapolation, the interaction of the interaction of the extrapolation of the 3-day moving average and the interaction of the extrapolation of the 4-day moving average, saying that you may get there's a ceiling to any expansion. There's a ceiling to any expansion, and the extrapolation of the 40-day moving average is going to serve as a guide to guide it all the way down. So lower prices are expected to keep printing from towards the end of on the end of this month. Momentum, yes, will begin to build up, may begin to build up from Monday, just as the expansion may also begin to build up as well. But all of these are just extrapolations. No guarantee that they will happen. Projections are not saying anything. To the upside, anything, nothing at all to the upside. We have currently on this for this daily chart, we have 16.88, 19.67, 24.18. Before now, we had more ambitious projections: 34.95, 35.39. These were in place as of the 22nd of October. So let's have a look at its 4-hour chart, which has reflected what's going on right now. Okay, So the 4 hour chart is saying that it's not saying it's not validating a bounce by Monday. Is it really? Okay, yeah, is actually doing so. It is actually doing so, but it's saying that for the whole of today, it's going to be weak and then stabilize towards the end of today's trading session, and then in the post market session of today, may bounce slightly. So all in all, it's just saying that a consolidation is expected, and no, there's the prospect of a spike is not there. Yeah, consolidation with more contraction, probably facilitated by the extrapolation of its, or rather, probably facilitated that by the 40 period moving average. Okay, so momentum is expected to build from today, midday today, and remain strong up till let's see now, up till Thursday 13th. So this consolidation is expected to be with some momentum. So we'll see. It might be a volatile consolidation period. Maybe the prospects of if a breakout occurring or a defiance of this bearish or neutral extrapolation may happen. Never know. The probability of it retesting 28.85 is not it's less than 50%, but really encouraging. Really encouraging. I can say maybe close to 40%. Close to 40%. But the fact that it's close to 40% does not mean that it's going to happen. So we'll see how things pan out. Currently it is trending. Yeah. But I don't think not much activity will be going on right now. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.